Good morning, Doc.
Good morning, sir.
The doctor is in and the nurse is out. Okay, Doc, good morning and congratulations for your innovation.
Thank you very
Tumuya
much.
mo kung sino yung mag-comment kay Doc man. Doc, mapariseta kami kan Doc paracetamol, Doc, ha?
Probably.
Anong namin nga brand, Doc? Sige. Doc, this is just more of suggestion and somehow clarification. To make your innovation very catchy, start with the project speed. And then elaborate mo siya kung anong project speed. Para at least matatak, Doc, sa mga tao or even sa school, nga ang project speed was led by you and your team. Something like that. Kay dira ka may impact eh. Sang samahambal ka nga, sports, performance, enhancement, and events, dispatch, open close parenthesis, project speed. Do wala siya impact. Kay basahon ko pang lawig-lawig ang mga sentences. Pero pag maghama ka, project speed, kamuna na.
Okay.
Something like that.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Are you connected in the division office? You
Yes, sir.
are
I am the medical officer for the division of Cadiz.
Okay. So since you have a big role in the division of Cadiz City, you have also a big role in promoting physical health in all schools within Cadiz City.
Yes, sir.
So therefore, Doc, kinanglan gid Doc nga tadlungon ang imo innovation because may dako-dako siya nga impact sa bilog nga division sa Cadiz City. Okay. In order for your innovation to make it more holistic ang iyang approach, because I do really appreciate sang imo nga mga diagram, you are using Abraham Maslow hierarchy of needs that in the first level, amo ning kinahanglan sa mga bata until at such time we can meet the peak of that pyramid or something like that. So very creative, very holistic ang imo approach. Pero Doc, gusto ko Doc nga mag-focus ka Doc sang expected outcome that after you implement this innovation, you will produce champions of athletes in Cadiz City or from Cadiz City.
That's the goal,
So something
sir.
like that.
Yes, sir.
So kumbaga, ano kayo tawag sila sa inyo? Regional meet or division meet? Mga muna no, sa
Palarong pambansa.
mga palarong pambansa,
Yes,
something
sir.
like that. So we can ensure nga may ari diri champions after palarong pambansa, may ari ka mo diri i-rekurida nga mga champions. Inabalangin na ang tawag sina. Dapat ba sa Miss Universe, pagkatapos Miss Universe, ginasakay siya sa salakyan ka ginaparada. Oh. Makita na Doc ang impact sa imong innovation if you have a focus. Ang focus ng Doc is actually to produce champions of athletes from Cadiz City. And then makita mong impact kung after the palarong pambansa, damo-damo athletes from Cadiz City who will represent Region 6 in the palarong pambansa. With that, mahambal mo nga may impact ang imo innovation. Sige, Doc.
Thank you, sir.
Doc, mamangkot lang ko, Doc. Last na lang gini, Doc. Anong imo operational definition sang family physician?
Okay. As a family medicine, sir, na-train man ko actually. So when we say family physician, it is a specialty in medicine wherein we cater patient from womb to tomb. So actually, unlike the internal medicine, when we say internal medicine, actually, they cater from adult, 18 years old and above. The pediatrician is 18 years old and below. So as family physician, we actually cater all.
So, as family physician, so amo na sang operational definition. So, it doesn't mean nga may involvement sang parents ang imo nga innovation.
Technically, sir, since we handle learners, no, we really need to have the consent and as well as the participation of the parents.
So, that means, Doc, you will cascade the innovation to the parents?
Yes, sir.
Aside from students?
Yes, sir. Okay. Actually, sir.
How about the teachers?
Yes, sir.
So that is why nang in holistic ang imong approach sa imong innovation.
Yes, sir.
Which is very good, Doc. Pero nang himay-himayon mo, Doc, ha? Anong expected outcome nga ginapananaw naton sa teachers? Anong expected outcome sa students? Anong expected outcome sa mga parents since they are part of the stakeholders of the institution para at least Doc klaro nga ang imo gali iya nga vision is actually a very holistic approach when it comes to physical health or something like that para may impact gid siya Doc. Nevertheless, congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Point well taken. Thank you very much.